entitled Respect Above All. It shows a situation where a student is being tested because of her appearance. The story reminds us to treat everyone with respect and to stand up for others when they are being bullied. We hope this inspires everyone to uphold the dignity of every person.
Hey Alexa, can you see us properly across your eyes?
Yeah, your eyes like playing hide and seek. You should be in comedy show. Please stop.
Hey, that's enough. Dominato, Benji, Josh, what are you doing? It's not funny. Screw it.
Come on, we are just joking.
There's nothing funny about making someone feel bad about how they look. Would you like if people made fun of you every day?
We didn't hurt her feelings.
But you did. Every deserve respect. No matter what they look like. Alex is kind, smart, and also a good friend. That's not matter not how your eyes look.
Thank you, Mika.
Let's not let anyone more than
What's going on here?
Some scholars are teaching Alexa, but I asked him to stop. Everyone deserves to be treated.
I'm proud of you, Mika. We should always stand up for others and remember every person's dignity and worth. Let's all reflect on our action and do better.
We are sorry, Alexa.
I forgive you. Just don't do it again.
We must always stand up for what is right and treat everyone with kindness and respect. Regardless of their physical appearance, upholding the dignity of the human persons means recognizing the value of every entity.